Hi guys, it's me, Thrift-tastic Mom. You asked and I deliver. A lot of you said you wanted to see the Dollar General haul. So here it is. This is what I actually bought from Dollar General the day I went and got groceries from Save-A-Lots and Aldi's. And this is pretty much my go-to products. I don't normally share the household products that much, but somebody mentioned that they never see these products in my grocery haul. Every now and then, if I'm at Aldi's, I may pick up a dish detergent or something if I am like out of it at home and I know I'm not going to get to the Dollar General. I will get their brand and use it, but I prefer using my Dawn, of course, which you see over here. I will use Ajax too, but I prefer Dawn. But anyway, I don't normally, share the stuff, so I thought I would today since a couple of you said that you wanted to see what I picked up. So here we go. Some of this stuff I got from my eBay, like this packing paper. It's $5 for a big thing of packing paper there. And it's like 50 sheets. They have a big pack at Walmart, but I haven't been in Walmart lately. I like to get it, but this will do for now. It'll hold me out for a little while to, package up stuff in. I like to package up my stuff nice and neat and, really well packaged when I send it out. So I got that, and I'll go ahead and show these since I'm talking about packing stuff. I got two of these big envelopes because I got two jackets that I'm hoping to sell soon, and they won't fit in my other envelopes, so I picked these up. These were $1.50. Normally I get them at Dollar Tree for $1, but since I was already in there and I seen them, I went ahead and got them for $1.50. Okay, over here I just picked up some cleaning supplies because I am just totally out of everything. I normally just clean with Awesome. LA's Totally Awesome. This is the best cleaning stuff, but you do have to be careful with it on certain things, like faux countertops, stuff like that. It can mess up your countertop if they're not real, like mine. So I don't really put it on my countertops, but I use it for everything else. I use it in my toilets. I use it in my bathtub. I use this Comet in my bathtub. So that's pretty much the two things that I use, and they're only $1 a piece. So it kind of saves me money than buying all these other different, there's so many different things out there that I can clean with. But it's pretty much what I use. I like Comet in my bathtub and my toilet, and then I use the Awesome for anything else because the name really says what it is. It is Awesome because that's some good stuff. So I always use Awesome to clean. I mean, why not? It's $1 and it works great. Let's see. I picked up some furniture polish. I just get the Dollar General brand because to me, furniture polish is furniture polish. I've tried several different kinds and they all do the same job. So I always get the cheaper can here. I think this was $2 for the can. For that, just no name, Dollar General brand. Furniture polish. And then I got me a Glade clean linen. This is my favorite. I like to keep this in the bathroom. And, because sometimes you need it in the bathroom, you know what I mean? And, spray it throughout the house sometime, too. And it just smells like fresh laundry, and I just love that scent. Let's see. I got this over here, too. Here's a cleaning product. I got this because I'm going to share something about this in a video. This is Hawaiian Breeze. I usually just like to get the laundry scent, but, I picked it up. I do like to use it on my carpets and vacuum it up. It smells really good. But I'm going to do a separate video on this because I got a tip about this and how it helped me out. So maybe it'll help some other people out. So I'm going to do a video on that. But I like this stuff. And I don't remember how much it was. Maybe $2, something like that. I got DG paper towels, 3. They're $1 a piece. I got 3 of them. I like them because they're plain. I don't really like printed paper towels unless they're in the colors that match my kitchen. So I usually just get the plain. I like this Arm & Hammer with OxiClean. Any of the Arm & Hammers I like. They're $8 a bottle. But this one was actually on sale for $6.95 today. Normally, sometimes I'll get the extra in the purple bottle, the XTRA. It's okay, but I just love this Arm & Hammer. And so I pick it up. I pay a little extra for it because I like it. I got 2 things of Colgate. This is my favorite kind of toothpaste. Colgate with the baking soda and peroxide whitening. These were $1 a piece, and I picked 2 of them up because I needed them. I'm out of everything. I got some of these Huggies. I use these to wash my face. I use them sometimes as toilet paper. You know, if I go anywhere, a lot of times, especially like if I go fishing and stuff, I'll take these to wash my hands with. I'll take them to use if there's not a toilet, whatever. So I always like to keep these and keep them in my bathroom. They're great to clean makeup off my face. They're like $1. These are $2 a pack because they're the bigger pack. But they don't leave any kind of little lint particles or anything on my face. They don't burn my face or anything. So I always use them. I like to keep them. So I got 2 packs of those. I got just a regular Dollar General bleach. I just get cheap stuff in that. You know, it's just bleach. I've used both. They both do pretty good. My underwear ain't got to be sparkling white. As long as they're white. You know, well, my husband's. I don't think I have but like 1 pair of white underwear. I got a thing of Snuggles. I love this Snuggle. Green Burst. It smells so good. I love using that in my laundry to make my laundry smell good. Then I got a Dollar General Flex drawstring bags, just 15 bags. These were like $4.75. I was totally out. I used my last one last night, so had to have some of them. I got a big thing at a Dollar General heavy duty aluminum foil, 45 square feet. And of course I got my Dawn that I mentioned. I love Dawn, Simply Clean. I just got 1 bottle of that today because I just bought one not too long ago. And then I got the Dollar General Ultra Strong toilet paper. I like this toilet paper. It's big rolls, and I love it. It's got the little, I don't know if you can see, it's got little prints on it. It's just, to me, a decent toilet paper. It's kind of like Scott's toilet paper, but I like it, so I got that. So that's everything I got in my Dollar General haul, y'all. Hope you enjoyed seeing all the things that I use. This is pretty much what I use. You know, hate to repeat myself, but this is pretty much what I use on a regular basis. That's why I don't show it that much. But I hope you enjoyed seeing it. If you use any of these products, I know you do, give me a big thumbs up. Y'all leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.